Where homes once stood, there are now piles of rubble. This is Yakovlivka, a village home to about 600 people, around 19 miles from the Ukrainian northeastern city of Kharkiv. It was hit by Russian bombing on March the 3rd, leaving houses destroyed and craters in the ground. Reuters met local resident Vera Babenka there. The 66-year-old's house was damaged by the shelling. Babenka said she was in the house when an attack occurred. She and her family ran out and hid under a cage when they heard aircraft flying ahead. A pile of rubble and a fridge is all that remains of her kitchen. Her son Yuri showed Reuters a crater caused by the explosion just yards from the building.
Nobody believed that after such an explosion, anyone could survive.
Russia denies attacking civilians in what it says is a special military operation to demilitarize and denazify its southern neighbor. Ukraine and its Western allies say that is a baseless pretext for a war of aggression. Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky said on Saturday the military situation in the east of the country remained difficult, warning that Russia was preparing for new strikes in Kharkiv and the Donbass region. But for now, residents in Yakovlivka are banding together to help rebuild what remains of their village. For Vera, she says the first thing to do is to rebuild her kitchen.